Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to change this selfie photo to become this one. As you can see on the left side will be the regular or normal selfie photo, and using the gesture of the selfie with the phone like this, and after using the special prompt, this picture can be totally changed into the portrait or photography in the station subway. How to create this one or how to create this transformation? It is very easy. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that I use here was the Nano Banana in the Google AI Studio. However, if you would like to use another AI or such as the Gemini AI or maybe the Dream, Grok AI, and a lot of tools out there, it is very okay guys. And here I will also share you the prompt to create this photo transformation guys. And after that, if you would like to use this Google AI Studio, then don't forget to do the login first with your email. And this is the look of the homepage guys. And you can simply scroll down and click this Try Nano Banana, and after that you can upload the selfie photo of yours, for example like this. And after that I will put the prompt into this section like this, and here I'm using the prompt by the opening like the request to change the photo, for example like this. Change this picture to be the perfectly face-aligned, candid portrait of a young man in the modern subway station. Like this. And also she is wearing a loose black jacket, this one, and carrying a black backpack. And you can actually do the adjustment about the fashion that you would like to present into this picture. And also her long straight hair flows naturally, and also with a minimal makeup and white earphones in her ears. And also he stands casually with one hand resting on her waist, this one, and also gazing thoughtfully to the side. And also the background would here, the background feature a sleek metro train with the glass doors, this one, and also a visible subway route map above, this one, and also the yellow safety line, this one, on the platform door. And overall atmosphere is urban, realistic, and cinematic with the soft directional lighting that enhance the mood guys. So you can give this prompt a screenshot, or you can simply copy it from the description box I shared there. And after that you can click run and kindly wait for the output down here. And basically this is the same prompt that I used before guys. Like this is the result. However, by using this one prompt you can also have the different look. So for example like this, and also from the another angle. And after that, if you like this photo, then you can continue to download it. And if you would like to get another version or different version, then you can click this rerun this turn and kindly wait for the different picture. So that's all guys. I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining. And if you have any requests or feedback, and if you would like to let us know about this prompt will be work or not into your version, you can let us know on the on the comment section, because we would love to share comments there guys. And also don't forget to give this video like and subscribe this channel. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.